Big update from Prince Edward Island. PAYE releases its 2026 PNP draw schedule. If you're planning to immigrate to Canada through a provincial nominee program in 2026, this is an update you really want to pay attention to. Prince Edward Island has just done something no other province does consistently. It has released its expected PNP draw schedule for the entire year. This level of transparency provides skilled workers, international graduates, and express entry candidates with a genuine planning advantage. PAYE becomes the first province to reveal its 2026 draw plan. Prince Edward Island officially published its tentative 2026 PNP draw schedule on 7 January 2026 through the Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program website. PAYE remains the only province in Canada that publicly shares a yearly draw calendar, helping candidates plan documents, timelines, and eligibility far more strategically. How many PAYE PNP draws are planned in 2026? According to the province, PAYE plans to hold 12 expression of interest draws in 2026, roughly one draw every month. Most of these draws are expected to take place mid-month, following a pattern PAYE has used in recent years. While dates are provided, PAYE has clearly stated these are tentative, not guaranteed. Important reminder, these dates can change in fact. In 2025, PAYE held 3 additional draws outside its published calendar, showing that flexibility is very real. Critical rule many candidates miss: EOI validity. One of the most important things to understand about PAYE is this: EOI profiles are only valid for 6 months. This is shorter than many other provinces, where profiles can stay active for up to a year. If your EOI expires and you don't resubmit, you are automatically out of consideration, even if your profile is strong. Who PAYE is likely to invite in 2026? While PAYE hasn't released its official priority list for 2026 yet, selection will depend on the province's 2026 nomination allocation from IRCC, ongoing labor shortages in PAYE, in-demand occupations and sectors, economic and workforce planning needs. Based on previous years, invitations are expected to remain highly targeted, not broad. What 2025 tells us about PAYE strategy? Looking back at 2025 gives us useful clues. PAYE held 14 draws, despite planning only 11. 1,609 invitations were issued in total. Almost all invitations went through Labor Impact category, PAYE Express entry stream, healthcare workers, skilled trades, manufacturing roles, and select international graduates were clearly prioritized. Conclusion: PAYE may be one of Canada's smallest provinces, but when it comes to immigration transparency, it continues to lead the way. If PAYE fits your profile, 2026 could be a year where preparation truly pays off. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.